What if a Hollywood star's weight becomes the secret weapon in her own courtroom battle? Blake Lively is fighting back against Justin Baldoni's attempt to keep certain evidence from the jury. The question: will the judge allow testimony about his alleged comments on her body? It all began on set, where the director had to lift Blake for a dramatic moment. During that scene, rumors surfaced that Baldoni called her personal trainer to ask about her weight. He claimed it was only to check on his own back problems, but Blake says it was different. Blake's lawsuit insists those remarks are crucial evidence in May's trial. She argues the comments reveal why he allegedly retaliated against her. Baldoni's legal team counters that any mention of weight is irrelevant and would bias jurors. They say his words had nothing to do with the alleged smear campaign on set. The judge has yet to decide whether this weight talk can be heard. Lake keeps pressing for transparency. In a high-stakes drama, she says knowing what Baldoni said helps prove her story of harassment. Baldoni's side claims that allowing such testimony would derail the case entirely. They fear it could shift focus from the core allegations to personal attacks. Blake insists the jury needs context to evaluate his motives. Without hearing those comments, they can't see why he'd target me, she told the court. The legal battle has escalated into a public spectacle with fans on both sides. Social media is abuzz. Some say weight bias fuels the controversy. Others call it a distraction. The judge's ruling will set a precedent for what personal remarks are admissive. If allowed, it could open doors to other behind-the-scenes revelations. Critics worry that this could turn courtroom into gossip column. Blake has called the comments harassing and demeaning, not mere offhand remarks. She wants the jury to understand the emotional toll of being talked about publicly. Baldoni's attorney argue that any mention of weight was incidental, not a factor in his actions. They insist the trial should focus on contractual disputes, not body shaming. The judge must weigh fairness against potential prejudice. Will the court side with Blake's call for full disclosure? Or will it dismiss the evidence as too inflammatory to consider? The stakes are high. A verdict could alter careers and public perception. Both parties have already spent months preparing for this showdown. As May approaches, tension builds like a storm cloud over Hollywood. In the courtroom, the air is thick with anticipation. Every eye on the judge's gavel. Will the judge crack open the file and let those weight comments speak? Or will he seal them away, leaving only the main accusations to stand? The outcome hinges on one decision: to allow or exclude this personal exchange. When the ruling lands, it could either vindicate Blake's claims or silence her voice forever. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more updates.